This is old screwdriver. The type, it looks like English cabinet screwdriver, I believe. Here I see number 2 stamp on it. As you can see, it is in quite bad shape. The handle has severe cracks. The ferrule is bent, and also the main screwdriver body is bent, and the backside is damaged quite a lot. First I'm gonna clean surface rust on this piece. Since I removed the rust, I will soak this piece in oil overnight. When we think about the handle, very often people back in the day would repair and don't buy a new one because it was quite expensive and not accessible as today. And here I have exactly that. These handles for files are roughly carved, but still it's very usable and they didn't think much about that. So today I'm gonna repair that old handle and keep it as they would do back in the day. First, I'm gonna sand down and remove this surface layer. That is actually not so bad, but still it's quite a big gap. So I will use the simplest method, just sawdust and wood glue to fill this gap and leave it overnight. By looking at the handle, I can see that someone was not very gentle, and it's definitely not a tool person. On this end here, I see a lot of marks of hitting, and probably concrete or a brick or something like that, because here all marks are really rough, and I just imagining that someone used it and punched something to put in place or to move a little bit. Lovely stuff. This is like a gold now. I will keep this one for later, and I'm ready now to sand the surface. Some finer sanding we're gonna do at the end of the video, and now I'm gonna fill this gap with the glue and wood dust. The goal here is to get like a paste so we can fill the gap nicely. I will leave it like this. So let's leave it overnight. Here is the handle. It looks much darker than I thought. Now I'm gonna try to place a ferrule directly on this and try to shape it. I'm trying to shake off excess water. I think I will just burn on a surface and get a darker tone on the whole handle, and it will look nice in contrast to the copper. Let's do that now. Now I'm gonna grind down the sharp edges, the endpoints, and the surface. I will be using the rough stone, medium, and super fine.
As a result of the outbreak, your city or entire region may be